One project I've been extremely vocal about being bullish on is VeChain. I've been a big fan of this project since 2018, even though it wasn't always popular to be one. I do believe that VET is one of the most promising tokens in terms of adoption, a supply chain project that doesn't have any close competitors. Now, the argument can be made that not having competitors might prevent projects from getting better, and I made that argument with ETH, ADA, and DOT just yesterday. But I believe that when it comes to VeChain, there is nothing to worry about. Their competitor is the archaic supply chain infrastructures that are as outdated as the banking world. Find out what's cooking inside the VeChain Volcano. Let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you are a big fan of VeChain, then also make sure to smash the like button so our gracious masters at YouTube know to show this video to more people. Also, if you guys want to check out the altcoin research site of choice for BitBoy Crypto, make sure to get our 7-day trial with Token Metrics. You'll get access to the same tools that I use in my altcoin research arsenal. And the trial is less than $5, so make sure to sign up and learn more by visiting bitboycrypto.com/deals. In this video, we're going to be looking at an oldie but a goodie, VeChain. VeChain is a blockchain designed to enhance the supply chain management ecosystem. But recently, it has been much more than that. Its goal is to streamline both processes and information flow for complex supply chains by using distributed ledger technology. The VeChain platform has, of course, two tokens, the VeChain token, or VET, and the Vechainthor Energy token, or VTHO. The VET token is used to transfer value across VeChain's network, and the latter, VTHO, is used as energy or gas to power transactions. VeChain's white paper states that its goal is to build a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem platform to enable transparent information flow, efficient collaboration, and high-speed value transfers in business processes. VeChain's blockchain platform is used to track products from the manufacturing plant all the way to the sales floor, including luxury goods, food, medicine, and much more. VeChain can be utilized by companies to know how much of a product is available, stop counterfeit goods, and to track the sales of a product. There's multiple use cases for VeChain, of course, and honestly, it's one of the most exciting real-world use case blockchain products. VeChain has been busy organizing numerous partnerships to help solidify its blockchain as the supply chain blockchain solution of choice. Now, last year, we told you that VeChain had acquired over 20 promising partnerships over the years, including DNVGL, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Walmart of China, BMW, BitOcean, Haier, Foodgates, Deloitte, San Marino, and Bayer. Now, in the recent months since we covered VeChain last time, they've initiated various partnerships and pilot runs, including with the second largest EAS tag company in the world, UbiqueTag, and joined China's Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance, or CAFA. Let's hope VeChain can stop another bat-eating soup situation. But this CAFA partnership is really big for VeChain in China specifically. VeChain will also be the sole provider for blockchain technology in the alliance, providing technical and infrastructural support for the council members, according to a press release. Here's just a small snippet of all the companies who are members of CAFA. Now, going back to 2019, VeChain was also used to pilot validation samples of premium food and drinks delivered to President Xi Jinping of China and President Emmanuel Macron of France during a dinner event held between the two leaders. Several premium products, including Label Rouge Limousine Beef and Boisé wine from Burgundy, were validated by DNVGL, VeChain, and ASI Group. Word on the street is there were no freedom fries there. But the last couple of years have been spent expanding in China. Seems to be a shift happening for VeChain to also acquire partnerships in the West. More recently for VeChain, they launched something in November called Foodgates that they tested. The VeChain Foundation highlighted the launch of the Foodgates platform, expressing there are over 10 dairy products, liquor, and other types of products that were onboarded to the VeChain blockchain. However, VeChain isn't just focusing on supply chains. One of the more recent partnerships is aimed at the medical industry. In October of last year, VeChain announced a historic partnership with DNVGL and Renji Hospital top-ranked hospital in China affiliated with the Shanghai Jiaotong University School of Medicine to launch the world's first blockchain-enabled intelligent tumor treatment center. The Intelligent Tumor Treatment Center is a traceable medical management solution powered by VeChain toolchain. VeChain is also focused on NFTs like every other blockchain out there right now. Although instead of funsy NFT art, VeChain has its eyes on tokenizing assets from industries such as supply chains, software licensing, real estate, identity management, medical licenses, law degrees, enterprise certifications, and much more, according to the VeChain Foundation's Medium. And this is absolutely huge. There's more use case for NFT than art. But VeChain isn't just putting its attention towards China. In recent months, they've expanded to Western nations as well. For example, last year, VeChain announced a partnership with No Seafood, has implemented Producers Markets application, Storybird, powered by VeChain toolchain. The VeChain Foundation also recently stated that the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology Blockchain Innovation Hub has joined its V-Research program to tackle fixing issues such as governance and other technological hurdles facing the industry. It's also worth mentioning for viewers that Kuehne + Nagel, the world's largest freight company, which accounts for 10% of the world's air and sea freight business, partnered with VeChain in 2016, very early on. VeChain additionally expressed in the past few months that it would be used for payments for Travala for booking hotels and traveling. So VeChain is also targeting becoming a payment solution. The plan for VeChain is clear: world domination, utilizing blockchain technology for various enterprises and the supply chain for tracking products. There are real-world dApps that are being utilized by large corporations. If you needed more, TÜV Saarland certification recently issued VeChain with the world's first 5-star rated blockchain service certificate. Now, what do I think in terms for VeChain price this year? I've already gone on record saying that I believe VeChain can achieve a price of over $1, and I'm sticking with that. When I made that price prediction, the price was barely half a penny. Now at almost a nickel, I gotta say, things are looking pretty good for old BitBoy Crypto and his heavy sack of VeChain. Ho, ho, ho. But what do you think about VeChain? Does it have what it takes, or has it maxed out its potential? Let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to smash the like button if you are a fan of VeChain. That's all I got. Be blessed. Way out.